I'm Michael Farmer. I teach AP Statistics at Saginaw High School. What is statistics? Statistics is a course for college credit. Like all the AP classes, you have to take an AP exam to get the college credit. But we aim the whole year at doing rigorous work at the level to get you past the test. If you're passing the class, you're going to pass the test. Why should you take it, or should you take it? That really depends on what you want to do. If you know what you want to do in college, then just look it up on the site. Your college website, or prefer any college website you think you might want to go to, look at your major. It'll tell you what classes you need to take. Most likely you're going to see statistics there. It's used for statistics, it's used for psychology, it's used for med programs. My son just started the nursing program at ACU last year, and it was required for both pre-med and for nursing majors. A lot of majors use it. Just look it up, you'll see it. If you want full site, you can go to just look up statistics in college. How hard is the class? So one of the mistakes that some students make is get into AP Stats. They get in there because they think it's going to be easier than AP Calculus. And that's not the case. The math is not as complex, by far. It's not as complex. All you need is Algebra 2 to get through on the math level. But you have to be able to write what you're thinking. And the writing is, some people take a math class, they say, why do I have to write in a math class? This is one of those classes you're going to have to write in. You have to be able to explain your thoughts and your thought process to do well in AP Statistics. Well, what is the class like itself? We do a lot of activities in our class to get the point across as we go along through the year. There are a lot of things you have to know. And so we do a lot of activities. In a typical year, we'll do a lot of activities with food. If COVID keeps going on, it'll be without food, but it will still be activity-based. So why take stats? Like other AP classes, you also need to make sure that you, realize that the college course at a normal school will be, at a college will be for just a semester, so crammed in a little smaller space. And we get to do it over the year, so you get more time to absorb the material and more time to make corrections that you need to make correct. Who can sign up for the class? Well, anybody can sign up for the class. The only requirement is that's Algebra 2, passing that. What do we cover? We cover exploring data. We cover producing models, experimental design, statistical inference. Those are the four main things. Data processing is a very big and very high-paying job. When you look at the least stressful and most best paid jobs in the top 10 every year, you're going to see 5 of those end up being something to do with statistics. Actuaries, statisticians, math professors fall on that list as well. But they are always there. And so statistics comes in very handy.